This is a 1983 Kmart 20-inch box fan model K-223. I got this fan on Saturday from the flea market with a burned up motor. So shout out to Tori the fan man. This fan's got a motor from him in it now and it's running great. I did throw new motor shells on the motor from him, the ones off this fan originally, because the ones that were from him kind of had flaking paint. And this one's looked like brand new. So now this thing's a really nice looking fan. The paint's all in good shape. It ain't that rusty, but it's got some rust right there. It's not surface rust. It did have some surface rust in the bottom, but I wire brushed all that out. Now it's just got the rust that's there right through the paint. This fan's a bit interesting, being it's 83, because it's got tan blades that still have a hole in the center where you can see the shaft. That's kind of strange, I thought. It's got really good grills. This one's only got one missing vent, but the screw holes aren't doing too good on it. At least on the top anyway. They're fine everywhere else. And the back grill's got two missing vents, but good screw holes. So, kind of sucks. I wish it was the other way around. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching. And I hope all you guys enjoyed.